Good afternoon everyone and welcome. I am 𝐏𝐫𝐸 Jalal from Electrical Engineering Department, Bahria University, Karachi campus. I am honored to be your host for this insightful session on Master of Science in Electrical Engineering program. Today we will discuss that how this program can empower you to grow academically, professionally and personally, whether you want to pursue research or aim to do PhD program. First of all, I would like to welcome our distinguished panelist, Dr. Mohammad Raza, who is Senior Associate Professor, EE Department, and Dr. Abid Mohammad Khan, who is Professor, EE Department. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us. Dr. Raza, could you please begin us by giving us the overview about the MSc EE program?
Yes, of course. We have 2 years program, MS program, which consists of 4 semesters. And it contains overall 30 credit hours that the student have to complete in the 2-year programs. They have an option to choose whether they have to do by thesis or by coursework. And we have 4 specialized field. One is communication and networking, power and systems, embedded systems. The another one is control and robotics. So student can choose any one of the stream to do the specialization in it.
Thank you so much, sir. It is exciting to see that Bahria University MSEE program is designed with clear focused areas and flexible tracks to suit different career aspirations. Now let us talk about the learning experience. Sir, what is the core structure of the program?
Well, as I says that we have 2 options to do MS. The first one is do by thesis, or the another one is by coursework. In coursework, the student only have to complete the courses. In this case, they have to take at least 5 core courses and 5 elective courses. By all together, they have to complete 30 credit hours. So in this, 18 credit hours are for the courses, which they have to complete in first year. So they have to take 9 credit hours in each semester, so 99, in which is that would be 18 credit hours for the first years, and for the second years they have to complete 12 credit hours, so 6 credit hours in each semester for elective courses. Actually these courses are more specialized courses from different domains. Domain means they still have to choose from their relevant fields, just like if they are taking power systems, so they can choose renewable energy or fact devices, power and plants, all these courses they can take it. They are core courses that has to be not shared by, but they both have to take either they have to take by thesis or other have to take by course. And if you are taking the line that you have to do with the thesis, so in this case you have to take only 3 elective courses, means you have to skip 2 elective courses. Instead of that, you will do thesis work. So the thesis credit would be 3 credit hour in each semester, starting from third semester to 4th semester as well. And one of the core courses that each student have to study, that is the research methodology. That is that's the university requirement. Of course, it's a very core subject because student needs to learn how to write on different reports, thesis writing, research write-up. So it gives them the main skills that how to be academically strong in this case. And then from the core courses, is according to the students whether they choose whatever field, whether they want to choose embedded systems, so they will study some embedded courses. Okay, if they are taking communication skills, so they can choose from wireless communication. That would be one of the core courses. Beside that, we also have some courses that are more toward mathematics. Of course, in engineering, mathematics is a key point. So they have to study stochastic analysis, and they have to also study optimization application in all domain.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir, for explaining that. Sir, another important aspect for the prospective applicants is to understand the eligibility criteria. Sir, could you walk us through the eligibility and admission process for MSEE program?
Well, it's quite simple. We don't have much of the strict requirement. We follow HEC guideline. So the minimum CGPA that the student have to acquire in their bachelor degree program, that is 2. out of 4 total, or if they are going percentage system, so they have to take 50% marks at least, and they have to have a engineering background, such as they have done electrical engineering course, bachelor in electrical engineering or electronics or computer engineering. But they can also, other students such as from computer department, computer CS students, they can also take an admission, but they have to complete their prerequisites. There are some prerequisite courses that the department committee will decide, and they have to pass those courses within 3.5 CGPA, so they can take this. They can take the MS program as well.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. My next question is to Dr. Abid. Sir, could you explain what career opportunities are available for our MS graduates?
Yes, nowadays pursuing MS is not an optional. Now it is mandatory, compulsory for the students, those who want to leads in their departments, those who want to do something novel in their life, in the industry and R&D. So we are offering 4 different programs, in which one of the program is controls. So in controls, student can contribute in UAV, student can contribute in robotics, and all controls, automation and control industry. Similarly, in communication, students have highly demand in 5th generation and also in satellite and mobile communication system. And Pakistan also need highly qualified engineers in power sectors. So student can also contribute in power sector also. And lastly, we have a program in embedded system. This is one of the fastest growing demandable job in embedded system. These days around 10 different companies who are working in IC designing, open-ended CPU designing in Pakistan, Karachi, Islamabad and Lahore. In 3 main cities, the different companies are working. So we have a very qualified PhD doctors and hands-on experience on IC designing also. So this is not only for R&D departments and for automation, but after completing MS, student can have a mindset to do their own business, their own entrepreneurship. So we have a lot of opportunities in our university for the student in their career.
Thank you so much, sir. That is very motivating, and it is encouraging to see that how this program equips graduates for top roles in both industry and academia here in Pakistan and also obviously in abroad. Sir, what research areas can student explore, and what does the thesis supervision work?
In our university, Karachi campus, we have signed a MOU for the national or international institutes and organization. So student, recently we have a consultancy project with the Sparko. So student can participate their research work of MS in control and signal processing, and also in different areas in power sector. So Dr. Raza is working on the power sector research area.
Yes, we have multiple options to such that the faculties are involved in getting the research funding from different organizations. So I also myself get HEC funding, and they are also senior faculty members. They also got research funding from different organizations. So student is also get an opportunity to get involved in those projects. They can work also as a research assistant to the professors as well. So they have plenty of opportunity to work. Especially they can work on their project and claim that as a master thesis as well. So they can write different articles with the professors. So they have plenty of option to do work on different research projects.
Thank you so much, sir. That's it. It's great to hear, and it's a big plus for anyone who is aiming to pursue research in future or do PhD. Sir, Dr. Abid, could you share the details of the program's fee structure and the scholarship options?
At Bahria University, the first semester fee structure is around 66,000 for the first semester. But along with the fee, Bahria University also offer scholarship for the married students, for the needy students, and also HEC SAS program. The best thing is at this university is that if something happens strange with the student, so we will not leave the student unattended. If he or she has some issue, the management should attend that issue. This is the good thing at the Bahria University regarding the scholarships.
Thank you so much, sir. That transparency is very helpful, and it is reassuring to see that Bahria University not only offers the quality education, but it is also giving a financial support to the deserving students. Now last and the most important question, sir, why should the prospective students choose Bahria University for their masters?
We have a very highly qualified PhD doctors. They did their PhD from abroad, all of them I think, so they are from abroad. And we have a specific dedicated postgraduate lab with the high performance computing. And we also offer as I told that we also offer the scholarship for the students. So there are different, and also we have a cutting edge latest curriculum that is required and comparable to the all over the world curriculum. And one thing very important to the Bahria University is its discipline. They are very disciplined, their classes are very regular, student will not face any problem, their LMS system and all this system is very easy to understand. Student when come in the campus, they don't have to worry about anything, everything is online. So this make the student life very easy. So student can attract, when they come, they inform to their other friends also that Bahria University have a very simple procedures, because our policies and all these things are well defined. So this is very good for the students.
Thank you so much, sir. Those are truly the compelling reasons. Thank you, Dr. Abid and Dr. Reza, for giving us your precious time and very valuable insights. And to everyone watching, thank you so much for being the part of this webinar. And we hope that it will help you a lot to understand what Master of Electrical Engineering Bahria University program offers and how it can shape your career and future. For more information, you can visit our website bahriauniversity.edu.pk, or you can come to our admission office. We look forward to welcome you at Bahria University, where innovation meets excellence. Allah Hafiz and take care.